Hello, tiny reviewer friends. Peeps. Although it's not Easter right now. I bought this at dollar store. It's 10 press-on nails, so one for each finger. It's the brand of Danawares. So let's first take this thing off. It's $1, obviously. It's pre-glued, so you don't have to buy a special type of glue to glue it on your finger or anything. You have to have nails that are not thin, that are not damaged, and that are not infected. All right. I mean, a little notch for me to read on. Hopefully the directions won't be enough. So it doesn't really matter for left or right because they're all just different colors and the sizes just vary. So this is from thumb to pinky, that's from thumb to pinky. You can choose which hand you want this to go on or anything. So I'm just going to just twist it around until it just comes off. There you go, one down. Be careful. So it's okay if you put it like this, since it's curved, the glue won't stick to your table or anything. But just to be on the safe side, I'm just gonna put it over there. So the direction says to just put this and just press it all the way down. Hey, the glue is this way. I thought I'm supposed to put it this way. I was a bit confused. Since the glue is there, I thought I'm supposed to put the nail that way, but then, as you can see, the bunny is upside down. Just to let you guys know, it's probably because my nails are a bit small for my age. Those who have nails smaller than me, do not do it because I believe it won't stick to your nails. So I'm just gonna put it down. Hopefully the glue will just stick onto me. Press it down. Goodness, these nails are long. Kids will think I'm a grown-up. So gently press all the way up to your nail. Now that's a bit of a long nail. I mean, seriously, I don't have nails that long. My nails only end there. That's how much my nail shows. Okay, so one nail down. Let's see what else I can put on. I want to put this color on. This, this little thing. Okay, so it's very long. My nails are super long. I've never had nails this long before at all. I'm telling you guys, I've never had nails this long before. Fake nails or real nails. I've never had nails this long before. Turn it around. Don't get your fingers stuck in the glue. There you go. That's how much my nail shows. Do you think I have nails this long? No way. So that's my two nails that do not look like my nails at all. This is a brother. That's another. So I need to choose from these middles. I'm gonna do another bunny that's going to pattern. Oh boy, nothing bad happened. Just carefully twisting it around. Oh boy, don't stick to my finger though. You need to stick to my nails. But this one actually is okay. Do you guys think it's supposed to be going like this? My nails are super long now. I want to try a blue one. A blue with the green bunny. Turn. There you go. There you go. Safe side. Super long, huh? I never had nails this long before. And never this fancy either. Now I'm gonna do the pinky. I'm gonna do a peep. The pink one will be nice. There you go. Safe side. The pinky is also a bit big for me, but it's okay. The fun thing is the thing that has to happen is I'm having fun. And I am. Seriously, I am having fun. It'll be hard to take a bath while you're with these nails on. That's a good thing. If you want to take them off, why don't you just go in the bathtub and, just soak your hands in water and just let them come off in the bathtub. Just plug the drain though. That's one condition. All right, and the rest will be on my left hand. So that's my right hand. A bit fancy, huh? It looks like I kind of set this up. Like they're all same colors, like teal, pink, or blue. Pretty long nails, huh? Okay, now for my left hand. Take the purple with the yellow peep or chick on it. Carefully twist. Safe side. Okay. Goodness, I'm a lady today. Okay, one side done. Okay, so this is pretty long nails. But adults, like teenager girls, will be able to wear them with no problem at all because the nails won't be too long for them and it probably will fit them, I guess. And next, my pointer finger. There you go. It fits me, kind of. Cool. That's that. Looks like I have lots of purples and yellows on this nail today. That's the only purple and yellow left, and that's my kind of outsider. This one matches. A pink animal with the turquoise backing. Good. That actually kind of fits me. This one actually fits me well. Only the pointer fingers are a bit big for me, and the pinkies too. Let's see if this pinky will fit my pinky. There you go. That'll do it. The peep is on. So they're not bad. I'm saying for kids who like dress up, they can play with it. I bet they'll really love it because I'm not really good right now. So I just mix the order up. So this is what my right hand looks like and my left hand looks like. But if you guys want to do in the order that the package is on, do so. I just kind of mixed it up to show you how you can, mix it up as well. For $1, it's actually pretty fun because, ladies who put on real fake nails. So kids who want to be like them, this can be a good theme to put on. For young girls or anybody who wants to, dress up with these Peeps styles, you guys can put them on. There's a Frozen style available. Well, the dollar store I go to had a Frozen one and LOL. So stop by a dollar store and check those out. And other than that, bye! As you can see, one of my nails is gone. Not this nail thing, but bring it over. Come on. So that's the nail that I took off. It says the last, and we're just gonna leave it there. It's kind of fun. It's hard waiting, so 15 to 20 minutes, pretty hard to wait for it. So just leave it in the water and just play with it like a boat.